I'm Jesse Cavadlo, Professor of English and Director of the Center for Teaching and Learning. The Center represents a systemic, institutional way to support instructors, a way of saying that we value teaching here. And one aspect of the Center is the TLC, Teaching and Learning Colleagues. They're a particular group of people who are there to answer questions, work one-on-one with individuals about their teaching or approaches, troubleshoot, think about problems, or provide neutral, non-judgmental observations and then discussions of individual classes.
My experience working with Sandy Ross was wonderful. She is so kind. I was incredibly pleased with the experience.
Well, my TLC member was Michelle Shapping. She taught the class, and then about a week later we met and really spent about an hour, maybe even 90 minutes, just sort of talking through what she saw. She gave me a copy of the video, so I was able to look over that, which is just always a wonderful experience to, in many ways, give you that student perspective on what your nonverbals are saying to them. The chance to really watch myself teach was fantastic and a huge addition to the experience. And the evaluation that Michelle gave was just so detailed.
It's very difficult for instructors to be observers of their own classes and participants in the class. So one of the things that TLC is able to do is to be that neutral, non-judgmental observer of one's teaching.
We hope to create multiple learning communities that can meet throughout the semester to really, again, increase our ability to assess student learning, to monitor student learning, and again, to make sure that students get the best learning environment possible here at Maryville.
It was wonderful to have the opportunity to have someone else's experience, field of experience and eyes on what I am doing, what seems to be working and maybe what's not working so well. And to be able to have a conversation about that and think about it and brainstorm and figure out what's next, what should we be doing to help increase that student learning.
This was a chance to just reflect on my teaching in a very organized, systematic way with an education professor, which was fantastic because she really specializes in education. And really the chance to talk with another professor about what she was seeing and to explain some of the things that I did and get her perspective on it. Just to have someone pay that attention to my teaching was fantastic.
TLC members are really striving to create an environment that's safe, that's supportive, that's evaluative free. Again,
we have to consistently think about, talk about, reflect about the educational process. Our students are coming here expecting an extraordinary level of teaching, and I want to continually deliver that. And so for me, we all, and I think many of my colleagues here are just in this constant stage of reflection. I think it sort of is naturally who we are as a university. We need to constantly push ourselves because the students we're seeing.
Center for Teaching and Learning is a safe place for instructors to come and think about, talk about, and work out any potential problems or issues that they're having, or maybe there are no problems and they're just a particular idea that you're still working on. It's supposed to be someplace that's separate from more formal evaluation, separate from hiring issues, separate from tenure and promotion, just a pure place to think about and work on one's teaching together. Come and see me, or you can see any member of the TLC group, or consult our website.